Hello friends, my name is Ankit in Aanav Creations Digital Marketing Season 2. So we are going to start the right social media sites for you in digital marketing. So don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the like button. Let's get started. Welcome back friends. As you all know, our next topic is the right social media sites for you. So I would like to request you that to see the complete video this so that you can get the right sites to for this social media to get the easily rank available for you. So let's start it. Hey, in this video we will dig deep in the realm of social media. There are some really big social networks that are important to know about, but they are also smaller, more niche networks that can be really valuable to your business too. This video will help you understand what's out there and how to figure out which social networks you need to be a part of the digital marketing. When getting started with social media, it helps to sort all the different networks into categories so that you can understand where you need to focus your attention as well. Let's start with some of the biggest social networks out of there. For example, Facebook, Twitter, Google Plus and LinkedIn have some very big audiences. Did you know that Facebook alone has more than 1.5 billion users across the globe? Really, it's amazing. This means that your existing and future customers are likely to be participating in these huge networks. So if you are a business, you should probably consider having a presence on these large networks so you can find them there. But beyond the big ones, you will also find a niche or industry specific players that cater to specific topics or specific audiences who really know their stuff and they are looking for more details or insight. Think about sites like TripAdvisor for social travel reviews or Zomato in the restaurant space. There are lots of different sites out there dedicated to lots of different industries, and you should search around to find the most important ones for your business. And although membership on these sites might be smaller, those members can be exactly the kinds of people you are looking to attract. Another thing you think about when you are deciding where you should participate in the purpose of each social network in the digital marketing. For example, some social networks are mostly used for personal relationships. Some are more focused on sharing content and some are used more for professional networking. Let's dig into the bit more. Personal networks are one way that people keep in touch with friends and family online, but that does not mean that you can't participate as a business. People discuss products and services all the time. You just need to be aware of the context as well. That means your update should be light, interesting and useful, not silly. For example, an ethnic store could post photos of a customer donning a smart kurta, and that might get referenced or shared by people on the network, exposing the business to more people. Content sharing networks give potential customers information they can sink their teeth into. Facts, figures, graphics, reviews and things like that. For example, YouTube, where that same ethnic store could publish videos that show to how to wear it as well. Or Pinterest, where beautiful photos of bridal outfits could be featured out. Professional networks tend to be aimed at the business world and attract people looking into network, find jobs or hire people. Again, it's important to know your context here. You are not likely to get much of a response by trying to sell ethnic clothing here, but you might be able to locate your next employees. On the other hand, if you are a business that sells to other businesses, this might be exactly where you are searching and looking for. Want to advertise your products and services to other professionals in a very specific industries or job roles? In the end, it's all about understanding the objective of each network and the people hanging out there that you want to connect with. The big networks like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Google, YouTube and others have lots of users, so you are likely to find lots of people there. But beyond that, you might find smaller networks dedicated to exactly what you want to do. Filled with people you are super interested in the types of products or services you offer. With each network, spend some time looking around to see how people are using it. This will help you better understand how you can participate in the conversation or what kinds of content you might share. So I think that you might like this video. Don't forget to subscribe channel and hit the like button. Thank you very much. Have a good day.